Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Rover is a popular online platform that connects pet owners with pet care providers, including dog walkers, pet sitters, and pet boarders. It's a marketplace where individuals can offer their services to take care of pets while their owners are away or at work. The platform primarily focuses on dogs, but it also accommodates other pets like cats and various small animals. Here's how you can make money on Rover as a pet care provider. 1. Sign up. To get started on Rover, you need to create a profile as a pet care provider. You'll need to provide information about yourself, your experience with pets, and any relevant certifications or qualifications. 2. Set your rates. You can determine your pricing for the services you offer, such as dog walking, pet sitting, or pet boarding. Your rates should reflect your level of experience and the market demand in your area. Competitive pricing can attract more clients. 4. Background check and references. Rover may require you to undergo a background check to ensure the safety of pets and their owners. Additionally, having references from previous clients can boost your credibility. 5. Provide quality service. When you start getting clients, it's crucial to offer excellent pet care. This includes following instructions from pet owners, maintaining a safe and clean environment, providing regular updates, and ensuring the well-being of the pets in your care. 6. Marketing and promotion. Promote your Rover profile to attract more clients. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and ratings on your profile, as positive feedback can help increase your visibility and trustworthiness. 7. Manage your bookings. Use Rover's platform to communicate with clients, schedule appointments, and handle payments. Rover takes a service fee from your earnings, so be sure to factor that into your pricing. 8. Offer additional services. You can upsell additional services like grooming, training, or pet transportation to increase your income. However, make sure you have the necessary skills and qualifications for these services. 9. Build a client base over time. As you accumulate positive reviews and establish yourself as a reliable pet care provider, you can build a loyal client base. Repeat business and referrals can be a significant source of income. 10. Stay informed and adapt. Keep up to date with industry trends, animal care practices, and local pet-related regulations. Be open to feedback and adjust your services and pricing as needed to meet client demands and stay competitive.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.